Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another hairstyle video for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this really cute sleek ponytail and bang type of look using perm rods, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So as usual, I started on freshly washed and conditioned hair that I let air dry, so I'm going to just refresh it by adding a whole bunch of water. Creme of Nature did partner with me again for another video, so I'm using their new coconut milk curl repair leave-in. This is one of their new 7 stylers, and I was so shocked to see how thick and creamy it was, so I'm going to apply it to my hair. I'm kind of slapping it on right now, but I will actually split my hair in half so I could distribute it a bit better, and it was very moisturizing. I left my hair nice and pretty soft. If you haven't seen any of my other videos using some of their new stylers, I'll link them down below so you can check them out. These products are made with certified natural ingredients, one of the main ones being coconut oil, and yeah, so it was a struggle trying to get my hair into a ponytail since my hair was getting so thick in the middle. So as you see, I did actually section my hair into 3 sections and kind of put each one into the ponytail, and I did make sure to leave out some hair in the front for my bang. I know a lot of you asked me what I did for the front, and all I did was leave some hair out. So once I finally got my hair into that ponytail, I then just put my hair in a loose ponytail so I could add the Creme of Nature Shine and Hold Control Glue. And this is supposed to smooth and control your edges all day long, and it also says that it's good for holding twist outs. Now, I obviously just use this on my edges and the back of my hair, and it instantly reminded me of Eco Styler gel, except for it's a bit thicker and stickier. I really liked this. Like, it laid my hair so well. I'm currently on 3rd day hair, I believe, and my hair has not moved one bit. Like, you don't have to reapply it at all. The only things I would say is, one, it does dry very fast, so if you want to do your baby hairs and stuff, you have to do it then, because when I tried to go back, like, my hair would not move. So no baby hairs. So now that my hair is in its ponytail, I just started to rod my hair, so I'm just dampening up my hair again, and then I'm going to section it off and add some of the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream, which I actually have used this when I went to New York with Creme of Nature. They used it on my finger coils. So using it myself, I was so in love with it. I feel like this is actually a bit more moisturizing than their curl leave-in that I had just previously used, and it is just the perfect styler, nice, thick, and creamy, and moisturizing. So yeah, I just sectioned my hair, put my hair on the perm rods, and I did the exact same thing for the ponytail. But when you're rodding the ponytail, just make sure that you don't put too much hair on some of the rods, because that's what I did, and some of my hair was not completely dry, but I made it work. So So this is my hair once I completely rotted it, and it took way less time than it would to have rotted my whole entire head. So I'm glad I did it this way. I sat underneath my hooded dryer for an hour and then I air dried the rest overnight. So this is the next morning. You can see my hair is still super slick, and now I'm just taking down the rods, and you see I have a nice perfect curl. Some of the curls in the back on the ponytail, like I said, were wet, but it's okay. Now taking this Essential 7 oil from Creme Nature's new coconut milk line, I'm using this to separate my hair, and you guys know using an oil on your hands helps to reduce frizz, and you guys know how I separate. I just take small pieces of my hair, twirl it around my finger, and that is that. Now this is what my bangs look like once I was done separating, and I was just so in love. But for the ponytail, I was a bit more gentle just because it was still a little wet, and when your hair is wet and you want to separate, you just want to make sure that you are being careful and you aren't like overdoing it. Don't twirl too much. Sometimes you might just need to pull it apart and then call it a day, because messing with it too much can kind of just, yeah, it's not gonna come out right. So these are the final results of my hair. I did not have to fluff my hair much at all. My hair is nice and sleek. My hair is super soft and defined. Now I did get a little flakage, and you can probably see it on my neck, and I had a little in the front, but all I did was add some water and it goes away. But it, like, I have to keep doing that every day, which is a little annoying, but I don't know, it's like I really liked this glue, but I don't know if I want to keep dealing with, you know, white flakes and residue every day. It's kind of annoying. Other than that problem, I really loved these products that I used in this video, so definitely get this coconut milk line in your local CVS, Walgreens, or beauty supply store. And if you guys like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.